Hey all, once again this is Ibrahim with you from Car OMG Auto Accessories. Today I had received this MG for a full body wrapping. The customer has selected something unique color on this, so just mention below on the comment and wait for the complete craftsmanship. Stay tuned.
Novinha, se quiser fuder, tem que vir preparada pra não voltar apaixonada.
Before we begin, this MG came in with its stock paint. Nice. But the customer wanted something unique that really stands out on the road. The first step was preparing the surface. We cleaned and detailed every inch of the car to make sure the wrap would sit perfectly. We applied the chosen wrap color panel by panel. The material we use is high quality and durable, designed to withstand Dubai's weather conditions. The team made sure every curve and line of the MG was wrapped smoothly, with no bubbles or imperfections. This is the stage where patience and skill really matter. And now, the final reveal. The MG has been completely transformed, from a regular look to a bold, head-turning finish that matches the customer's personality. The wrap not only changes the style, but also protects the original paint underneath.
Finally, the wrapping project is done on this MG so just check it out how pretty it is looking.
Another project successfully completed here at Omg Dubai. If you're thinking about wrapping your car and giving it a fresh new look, visit us at Car Omg Dubai. Quality work, professional finish, and a transformation you'll love.
Yo por ti me tiro toda la noche. Actívate, así cálate, que